All right, we're recording.
What's the picture? Gotta record.
Okay.
All right, zoom out.
No. Is the art recording like
Yeah, come here. We're gonna make a YouTube video about our shelter, right?
Yes. Where's the shelter?
Our shelter. So we're here today to build a shelter. The kids want to make a YouTube video, but they're laughing, not taking it seriously. Okay, who wants to do what?
What?
Who wants to do what?
I'll go find a tree to cut.
So we need, let's see,
What do we need?
we need one more log like this. We've already started. We're doing an A-frame. We got the fire pit going already. We're gonna build it out more.
It's not going.
I found a shovel in the woods. There was a fire, let's see, a few years ago. Looks like someone from the Forest Service left it over.
Yeah, Daddy.
And there's a shovel for us. We're digging some holes. We're gonna put some posts in and build an A-frame. All right, you guys, let's find one more like this. Remember, it can't be rotten and it has to be about that wide. We
Okay.
don't want to go super thin.
Okay.
All right, go help in here.
Hey, can I hold the camera?
No, we're just gonna turn it off, but
Why?
we're gonna go ahead.
We're gonna get fiberglass.
Wait, why do we
Use
need
my
to turn off the
use
camera?
my saw, because we're not gonna record the whole time. That isn't how it works.
Fiberglass.
No. Okay, go find a log over there.
Okay. How many logs is ready?
We just need two about the same size.
Two. I need the saw.
Go find two more logs, George.
I need the saw.
No, he has the saw. You're gonna help him. So we found this shovel out here. It's fiberglass. It's all rotten and it's getting in my hands. It's irritating me, so I brought some duct tape. Brought it from home, and I'm gonna tape it up so I don't get this crap all in my hands. And we're gonna dig some more holes and figure it out. It's kind of cool finding this shovel. It gave us the idea to build an A-frame like this and put the posts in the ground. What?
Found a log.
Well, go cut it.
What?
Go cut it.
I think it's already cut.
Is it rotten?
What?
Is it all rotten?
No. It's the other half of this.
No, I don't think
Nah.
so. It's too thin.
Ow, my leg hurts.
It's too
Nah.
Okay.
I did my thing.
Today you have to find logs.
Fun, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys want to build a shelter too?
What?
You wanted to build a shelter too?
Okay. I just heard someone talk. Someone talking to the camera.
No one's talking, man. There's no one out here. Liam, not over there. Liam, in the burned area over there. Or up there. Up there. Alright. Continue digging holes. Got a nice rain out here, so ground is easy to dig. Guys, I would go up there.
What?
Up in the burn area up there to look for logs.
We did.
Did you find one?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's in my hands.
Alright. I'm gonna need you guys to stand up here, okay?
Okay.
Come up here, George. All right, so we're gonna fell this tree, and the boys are gonna take all the limbs off of it with
How?
this saw and the other one.
What other one?
I have another one in my backpack.
Oh. Timber!
Not quite.
Quit. Okay, he's not ready. Timber. Timber.
Let's see if we can do this.
Timber! Boys! Oops.
All right,
Okay.
here's this saw for you. George, you can come with me and get the other saw
Okay.
in just a second.
You have to jump all myself. Is he gonna come?
Come with me and get. You can come with me and get the other saw, and just
Dad.
cut those off.
Dad, is he gonna be all myself?
George, the fort's just right here.
Hey guys.
Ow! Ow!
Be careful.
Wait, is the camera go? Hey, if you're going. Okay. Sorry. I'm back. Ugh! It's gonna break. Coding is for a workout, you know. Get off me. Okay. Ow. Hi guys. So. You know what? Hey. You know what? Let's just cut this. Went up too high. Finally got one branch off. I mean, we got more than that, but.
Yes. You be careful.
I'm sure it's sticking my back when I see it.
I get the best all he has.
Look at this, okay? The saw, it opens like this. When you want to close it, you push this button in, you close it. Don't turn it around too much.
Wait, what's the
Now look.
button? Where is the button?
The button's here, okay? And that closes it. You gotta make sure it's open all the way. Don't do that while you're doing it or you'll hurt yourself.
Okay.
So, I mean, that's probably good enough, really.
It is?
We just need a couple branches. George, take that branch off. Take that branch
Yeah.
off and then
Hey, Liam, I get the best all Dad has.
I'm gonna have to, I don't know if I cut it above there.
I can cut it now.
That's fine.
Cut it where I can.
I bet I could just snap these off with my boot though, rather, but
Where?
it's alright.
What do you want me to cut it?
Yeah, put some force behind it. Get it back where you want it. And then when you're about halfway, watch. Snap it right off all these little ones. And snap right off. Here, let's put it back in the sheet. We don't need it right now. We're not going to take them all off because we don't need it. Let's cut it about right here. You guys can take turns with this saw because he's going to get tired. Okay? So let him get it started. Put that in your pocket there. Pretty you're close to being done, let me know. I'm gonna go dig that rest of that hole out.
Dad, just put this in my pocket.
All right, so here's what we got going on. We're taking these posts and we dug some holes with the beautiful shovel we found, maybe 16 to 18 inches deep. And we're set the post in here, jam it down in there. Take some rocks, yep. Jam them down in there real good. Try to get it plumb as your eye can do. Is good. We need one in the back, but it's gonna have to be a little bit smaller. I'm gonna take some bigger ones. And step on this side, George. Over here. George, I could use a little rock. Like these in there, cracked in, down in that crevice.
Tiny, little.
Yeah, down in these little pieces.
Why do you need rocks?
I'll show you. Because it's going to hold the post in. Now watch. We're just going to take the end of the shovel.
That's deep in the ground.
Yeah. We're going to take the end of the shovel, kind of hammer these rocks down in there, get it plumb.
Get it on YouTube.
I'll show you later, dude. All right, no, don't saw that tree. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go find another log. George, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Okay, hold on. Wait, is the video still on?
We're going to record on my phone because the batteries, the camera's off. Yeah, George. I will explain this later.
Record as long as it wants.
Yes, it can. All right, this is kind of what we're working with here. Pretty dense forest. There's a burn area just up here where we can get a lot of dead logs out of. We're just going to come up here and try to find that top piece of the A-frame up here. We're not super secluded. We're probably only a quarter mile from the road, but it's I don't know, just a crappy old logging road. I can't imagine a lot of people are up here. I mean, I've seen some trash actually from people, but it might also be from the Forest Service when the fire was coming through here. Who knows? By the way, it's a beauty day. Had a little rain earlier. We left and came back and it's cloudy, but it doesn't look like rain. We have to be careful in this country because we have pretty severe thunderstorms and I don't know. I don't want to get stuck out here in a crazy lightning storm. All right. This tree's dead. I could probably take that one down and drop it that way.
Which way? That way?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna drop it.
You're gonna drop it?
This one?
Yeah, that one there that your hand is on. Yeah, you don't have to cut it too far. That's good. You can start it and I'll finish it.
And then I'll finish it. So I'll start, then you, and then I'll do it.
Yeah.
Do I use the other saw?
I have it, but you can use it to cut the branches when we're done.
The other saw?
It's in my pocket.
This is hard.
I know, you want me to do it?
Yeah, hold the phone.
George, you're gonna have to watch out. Because you come stand back here. I'll drop it that way. I can move them easily, it's not a big deal, but just wait though, George, okay? Get this out of my way. Let's see what we can do with this thing. I think we need a saw that's longer. It would be helpful, but this will work. Everything's on a slope here.
Mm-hmm.
I think that's about ready to go. Hang on.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you guys stand this way a little bit
Push that way.
in case.
Timber!
Timber.
Oops.
Stuck a little bit there, boys.
Oh yeah.
All good.
Okay.
Ah, look at all that. All this like
Huh.
just char
Ah,
all over the.
this is what it looks like.
Finish this off and then I can get started. Yeah. Watch your foot, George. All right.
Okay, so
Take this.
okay.
This needs to be cleaned up pretty nice, so because temporarily we're putting a tarp on this top post, so we'll have to clean these up real nice. There's no pokies, okay, so that we can I don't know, not put a bunch of holes in our tarp. That's probably already has holes in it, but whatever. We'll just take the little ones off, George. And if you stomp them off like that, you can kick them down nice and flat.
I'm snapping.
Luckily, these are pretty light too. Watch your knees and stuff, George. Make sure you get them down nice and flat. Stomp them off of there. Should have brought the axe, but whatever. All right.
So,
Let's go take this one down to this little path because I don't want to walk through all this stuff. This big log. Get the rest of the branches off and then.
it's kind of a long hike down here. Not that much, but oh yeah, so we already built the fire pit, so I'm gonna show you that. So I don't know where the hell the fort is. Where the heck did it go? Let's go through here. I'm going through here. Got saw, as you can see. Now, so walk down here. And there's our stuff. Ooh, that hurt. So, let's walk down here. And here it is. Ow. So, this post and this post.
Alright.
Now,
Let's keep going and get all these branches off.
oops.
Get my boots on them. Watch out, buddy. Here. Probably can't get all them big ones, but. Can I see the little saw?
I'm gonna show the fire pit.
Go ahead.
Here's a fire pit. Fire pit. And then, yeah. So, and, ow. Let's go down here. Okay, so we're going down here. I don't know where we're going. Camp's just right about there. Here, let's come. Exploring. We're going exploring. So, it's fun. Used to go out in the woods, take a hike maybe, you know. So, but if you like the woods like I do, then go build a fort. It might take a little while, but eventually might take a little, but it's gonna be cool if you build, even if you just build a random little fort. So there's this little, like, I don't even know what it is. It's like this. Let's come down in it. It's steep. I don't want to go down up in there. Camp. I don't know what camp is. Let's go find it. Or where we're building the fort. It's not really a camp. But there they are. You might not be able to see it, but there's some over there. So, yeah, it's fun. Here they are. So, we're gonna walk up, and we're gonna go and, I don't know, but there they are. The phone. Duh. The phone. Ow.
I'm gonna freaking cut myself with the saw being done. Real nice, right? I was cutting like this and I freaking... Ay. So I gotta be careful, right? Need a more aggressive saw. Hey. I don't know how I'm gonna hang this by myself, but you pay attention to the camera, would you? You can be the filmer.
Tie the rope as high as you can go.
I will. It's just gonna be hard. Maybe holding it up by
Wait,
myself.
Dad. How do you turn it to, like, where you can see yourself?
Flip the phone around.
No, like,
I don't think you can do it on video.
you can't?
No, I don't think so. Not on my phone.
Oh.
Let's see. Let's just break it off now. I'm gonna cut through this side at least so I'm not hitting
No.
rocks with it, I guess.
Now we're cutting the back.
Alright, let's watch out real quick.
Now he's picking it up. Now he's breaking it. Now he's throwing something.
Alright.
So,
How the heck are we gonna do this?
now we've got some cool, things. Now, wait, so if I quit the video, but, still, can we put it together if I stop?
It is now. You just look through here and you can record. Let's see
Need about
how we can
maybe
do this. We're
this.
just gonna, we're gonna do a loop here, I guess. Some kind.
What? I don't know what that means.
It means hang loose, dude.
I don't know what that means, but
Stay golden. Be cool. I don't know. What's good for a dude?
nope. I don't know.
That's just turned out.
We're gonna get.
Me neither, but we're gonna give it a try. Should have brought some stuff out here to build a ladder, eh?
You did?
No, I should have.
You should just brought a ladder.
I don't want to carry a ladder out here.
Once we have this tarp, wait, you think we'll be able to put a tarp on?
Yeah. As soon
Today?
as this is hung. I think so, yeah.
As soon as that's hung.
Alright, we're back. I keep having to delete storage on my phone because I have so much stuff on here from the kids. Yeah, we'll probably clean all this stuff up, make it nice. Already got some nice firewood. Someone cut some juniper out here. I don't know if we'll be camping here anytime soon, but maybe bring some friends out and have a little backpacking trip. Let's see what the kids are doing. Let's see if they're arguing. Ah, they're cutting all these little oak trees out of here. Looks good. Good job. Do me a favor. When you're sawing, if there's rocks around, move the rocks so that we're not dulling up that blade as much as possible.
Oh crap.
I do it all the time, but, you know, try not to. I think that's sturdy enough. I put my entire body weight on it, and it was good. Didn't move at all, so we'll see. I think we're gonna pack up pretty soon. I'm gonna work on this fire pit some more. I think clean up around here and then get out of here. Talk to you later.